Ever dreamed of building your perfect keyboard, tailored exactly to your touch and style? Well, the Sanpyl DIY Mechanical Keyboard Kit promises to be the ultimate canvas for that dream, and it delivers on some seriously exciting fronts. This isn't just another keyboard, it's a fully modular foundation. The hot-swappable switch sockets mean you can literally plug and unplug any 2-pin board mount mechanical switch you want. Want clicky switches for typing during the day and silent linears for late-night gaming? No problem. It's like having a whole arsenal of keyboards in one, giving you incredible freedom to experiment without soldering a single thing. The 87-key TKL layout is a fantastic choice, hitting that sweet spot between full functionality and desk space. It leaves plenty of room for those big mouse swipes in gaming, and because it's a standard ANSI layout with a standard bottom row, finding aftermarket keycaps and switches is an absolute breeze. That clean white color option also makes your RGB pop beautifully, creating a stunning visual impact. And speaking of pop, let's talk about the RGB. With 16.8 million colors per key, this isn't just backlighting, it's a light show. You can customize every single key to match your setup, your mood, or even your game, making your desk truly your own. Now for the build. It combines an aluminum metal top plate with an ABS plastic bottom plate. This isn't just for looks. This construction is actually ideal for fine-tuning the sound profile. Whether you're aiming for a satisfying thwack or a crisp clack, this kit gives you the foundation to achieve it. It feels solid, not flimsy, which is crucial for a DIY project you're going to spend time perfecting. Connectivity is straightforward USB-C, which is exactly what you want for modern setups. And whether you're building it for intense gaming sessions or a quiet office environment, this kit is designed to handle both with ease. Just remember, this is a barebone kit, so you'll need to bring your own switches and keycaps to the party. But that's the beauty of it, complete freedom to choose exactly what you want. Overall, the Sanpyl DIY Mechanical Keyboard Kit isn't just a product, it's an invitation to create. It offers a robust, customizable, and visually stunning platform for anyone looking to dive deep into the world of mechanical keyboards without breaking the bank. If you're ready to build your dream typing machine, this white TKL kit is an amazing starting point.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.